Justin Singletary. Welcome to FDC's e-commerce education vlog. As a young entrepreneur, I remember the challenges I faced trying to find mentors and experts to help me wade through the mountains of information about starting an e-commerce business. Sometimes the information I found was good, but other times it wasn't so good. There's nothing more frustrating than investing time, energy, and even money into a fruitless idea. I want you to help us encourage and inspire new and determined entrepreneurs to reach their potentials by providing education and insight from top industry influencers just like you. In return, you will be given the VIP status of an FDC preferred vendor, which comes with a lot of perks. I'll talk more on that in one sec. You're seeing this video today because I believe that you have substantial value to offer to those who dream of getting to where you are right now. It has taken a lot of hard work and dedication, and you've navigated through the rough terrain that so many aspiring entrepreneurs are trekking right now. What I'm proposing isn't that hard, and it won't cost you a dime. I'm asking that you invest a few minutes of your time to record a very short educational video that is focused on the industry that you're the expert in. Maybe you can speak on a pain point that you've had, or offer insight as to how you were able to solve that pain point. If I don't learn something from this, I'm not going to post it. Here's the rules. Number one, absolutely no pitching. There will be backlinks in place to drive viewers to your site already. There are no fees or costs. This is just a way to give back to the e-commerce community. So we don't collect payments for better placement. Everything depends on the content and the feedback we receive. Lastly, keep it under 5 minutes. Short and sweet is the goal. Script parameters will be provided for more guidance. So maybe you're asking, what will I get out of this? Other than the things that I've already mentioned, basically, this is free advertising for you. The biggest perk is that you will seriously be considered as a preferred vendor of Fulfillment.com, which will help our success managers determine who to recommend to our active clients if they need services just like yours. Thank you for considering this request for an educational vlog, and please reach out to me if you have any questions at all at jsingletary, that's JSingletary at Fulfillment.com. Now, this is what I want you to do. Go put together some game-changing content, and let's make this platform a great resource for internet retailers. I'm really looking forward to seeing your educational vlogs, and remember, when you're green, you grow, and when you're ripe, you rot. This is Justin Singletary signing off. Stay green.